In this video, I show you how to export and import passwords in Google Password Manager. So let's get started. First, we'll export the passwords. So you have to go to Chrome and sign in with the account from which you want to export the passwords. And then click on the three dots which are on the top right. Then click on Settings, which is over here. After that, click on Autofill and Passwords and select the first option of Google Password Manager. So here you can see we have these three passwords, and now to export them, just click on Settings, which is here, and you'll find this option called Export Passwords. So this will save all of your passwords in a CSV, which we can then import into our other account. So now click on Download File. So you'll have to save this file on your PC. So click on Save. And now the export is successful. So now I'll go to the account where I want to import these passwords. Here I've logged in with my other account, and again click on the three dots which are on the top right, then Settings, then Autofill and Passwords, and Google Password Manager. So these are the same steps, and here you can see there are no passwords currently, but to import passwords, just click on Settings, which is here, and you'll find this option, Import Passwords. So just click on Select File. So over here, select the file that we downloaded right now and click on Open. And as you can see, the import is successful. And one thing you should do is just check this box to delete the CSV file from your PC. And just click on View Passwords. And you can see all the passwords have come here and the CSV has been deleted. So this is how it works. And if you want to know how to clear cache in Chrome, check out this video over here. Goodbye.